Mexico show. I'm out at the park with my Fusion 180 and a new GoPro Hero 8 that I got from my wife, and we're gonna get down. It was my birthday yesterday, so my wife got me this new camera, so we'll see if it works. A little mellow. This little heli's cool to fly next to yourself. Well, close enough so you can see it anyway. I'm 40, I'm blind, so I have to keep it kind of close. And I can't see it. Well, that was my hand. Woohoo! Gyro flies pretty good. This is my lower head speed. Got to get into the groove, you know. Get my greasy thumbs warmed up here so we can fly some bigger stuff. Figure 8. Don't need blazing head speed to fly your Blade helicopter. It's kind of a fad. You have to slide into the sticks, kind of like the clutch on a motorcycle. She flies pretty good. Yeah. Hopefully the Hero 8 is getting all this footage. For all of you that do like high head speed though, we'll get into high head speed right now. She's pretty fast. Little mama's on with her baby. Tick-tocky. Woohoo! High head speed action. She's screaming, probably 4,500, something like that. It's pretty smooth, even in the wind. I'm gonna go ahead and land with the battery. Woohoo! Windy, windy, windy. When I land, I hit hold, but that is a stock Blade Fusion 180. And she's pretty fun. I'm gonna pull the canopy off for you. 4S LiPo and JST connector. And this is the Spektrum battery here I'm using. Spektrum 450 4S 14.8 volt, and stock servo, stock fly barless system. Okay.